Go, Kevin.
Energy.
Go, Rev. Good job, Kevin. Set the tone. Let's go.
Oi! Jump on it, guys. Go.
Yep.
Yeah. Nice.
Get physical down low. Come on.
Box out. Don't jump.
Run, Bryce, don't look, run.
Kunin mo. Tingin mo. Yeah.
Be there.
Corner. Swing. There you go. Take a shot. Take your shot. There you go.
Stop the ball.
Swing. There you go. Push. Mapawis ka na. Takbo.
Stay in front of.
Diskarte.
Good defense.
Help.
Hustle.
Ano mo, ano mo?
Energy up.
Ah, layo.
Help! Step up!
Swing. Ah. Nice. Nice. Box out. Don't jump. Just box out. Oh, alanganin.
Alex, get in there.
Sak. Cut, cut, cut. Takbo ng takbo.
You clap when they make the white makes it, okay? Because Kevin, you're only going. Nick was almost in the final. Really? Like debated, and then we had like 6 years later we had 2 more.
Which is very smart. We waited until 10 and then was like, that wasn't that bad. We could do it again. I'm like, he's 10. I wish we would have.
Got a rebound!
There you go. Ah.
Good job, Kevin. Help him!
Run, 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 run. Good, good. Diskarte, diskarte. Set, set. Kunin mo ulit. Takbo, takbo.
Oh, that's a 10.
What?
He's like,
Run, 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 run. Yeah. Oh. Oh.
lost the ball on the way up.
Help. Play his part.
Gotta make it count!
You got it, boys. Stay locked down. Get him, Dylan.
Corner. Ah. Just
Get in there!
ow.
Run with him, run with him.
Take your shot.
Rebound.
Oh, pag-open, pag-open.
Where's the
Ano
steal?
ulit? Diskarte. Isa ba?
Go get it!
Close.
Let's get it! Got a rebound!
Hey!
Come on, baby. Come on.
Younger brother. Are they twins?
No, he's
Sampu
4
lang.
and then
Oh, gamitan lang nila.
one is 7.
Oh, okay.
They have a month and a half.
Okay.
2 and 9 months.
Ha?
The middle will probably get it from both of them.
Dale.
We have about 20 more minutes left.
Is your 7-year-old playing?
Yes, he just last one softball.
Oh, okay, good.
Yeah.
And is Nick, I know he was doing football.
We did football for 1 season. Yeah, so before when we started, when you guys started, we were doing football. We really liked it. I just won't go past 5.
I know. Probably making him physical. The way he runs and moves, you would think that he's been playing for longer.
Yeah.
Where did you find Flag at that
Park.
all over in like between, because you guys are in North Hollywood.
Yeah, we're in North Hollywood. So he actually picked from Northridge. That's amazing.
He's ever played for Northridge.
Did he?
He played there like, I want to say maybe around this time last year. He played at Balboa, Tarzana.
Spread out, spread out. Balik, balik.
One of them.
Saksak, saksak.
And I was wondering, I'm like, Nick said that they go 13. I knew KJ was 0. I assumed it. Niggas just paying attention.
Shit. Drive, drive.
Don't let him catch it!
Ah! Defense, defense.
Go.
Run, 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 run. Corner, corner. Nice, nice, nice. Defense, defense. Box out.
Defense, defense.
Isa ba? Penetrate. Set. Come on. Nice! Defense! Defense!
Let's go!
Y'all play out.
Go, 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 guys! Nice.
Grab the
Hey,
basket.
you guys can't
Looking for three.
Sabitan mo! Sabitan mo!
Close game. Get that hole.
Nice, Bryce! Shoot it! Shoot it! Run! Run! Run!
Hey, you're doing good. All right. You break the you gotta finish.
15-24 lamang yung kalaban. Backs out! Backs out!
Behind you.
Good!
Oh, nice move. Let's go!
Maganda kung kinasa. Diba? Right na.
Oh, no, good job.
Keep doing. Hands up, Bryce. Take it.
If I'm.
Good job, White.
He wants to shoot. Stay up on him.
Good job, Hunter. Go ahead, Nick. Go ahead, Nick.
Nope.
Good try, White.
Stay on him. Stay on him.
Nice.
Step up. Oh.
Ito.
Lower the front.
$28-19. Kamangang kalaban. Double. Box out.
Run, Bryce, just run.
Run.
Get up, Alex, get up.
Stop ball.
Run.
Good foul.
Ay.
Go defense. All right. Launch it. Good job, Ryan. Nick pulled his back lane in the middle of the game like 2 weeks ago, and he's still like, oh, he looks so scared. He just went to the bathroom right now. Wow.
Kung one-on-one nila yan.
Okay, now go see what Daddy is now. Daddy's turn. Daddy's turn.
Kung si Pauline de Panta.
You want to be with you?
Ilitan niya lang. Oh, 20 minutes na lang yan. Play aggressive. Pag open, tira. Dalawa kayo.
Maybe Daddy wants to.
Ah? Panira na yun eh. Pag panira na, panira. Tira. Dalawa yun eh, no?
Cover, cover. No, what's still? Cover, cover. Sit down. I'm starting now. Nice job. Siéntese.
Ito pa ako.
Ah,
32-22. Ang kalaban ng 10. 10 points. Mababa pa yan.
and Dad's retired.
Let's go.
Pagbalik kita dyan.
This guy.
Job!
Oh.
Good job, good try.
Run, Cyrus, run. Skarte. Taas kamay, taas kamay. Oh. Taas kamay, Cyrus. Defense, defense. Get him, guys. Don't jump.
Oh, oh, good job. It's all right, let's go.
Run, run,
Go,
run,
go.
run, run. Ayun na, ito na.
Corner! Corner! Come on.
Lakasan mo pa yung boses mo. Pag siya, nakikita siya eh. Pag siya,
Ah, Nick. Ah, Nick.
run, Bryce, run!
All right, babe.
Sayang ah.
You got a rebound, Kevin.
Oh.
And one. Ah! Kaya mo na yan. There you go.
You got Dylan. Ask for Dylan. Ask for
Eh, Scarlett, tingin ulit. Go, right. Foul. Ah. Relax, relax. There you go. Ah! Ano may isa?
You got a rebound. Box him out.
Off that white.
Bring him to me.
Defense, defense. Pagod na yan, oh. Box out!
It's okay. It's alright. To the ball. To the ball. Work together.
Look up.
Shoot it!
Alex, run to the basket.
Hey, charge! Oh!
He wasn't fit. Good call, ref.
That's a good call.
That's good tip for a kid too.
Good job.
Box out, Cyrus. Don't jump. Run, 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 run! Ah, may tao pala. Oh!
Good job, Hunter.
Good job, Hunter.
Alright, alright. Get it back. Get it back.
Nice. Sure passes, Cyrus. Sure passes. Ah.
Rebound. Get low.
Off that white.
Back to the defense. Go in defense. Don't jump.
Go. Good job, Kevin.
Good job, Kev.
Stop hesitating.
Run, 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 run.
It's okay. Use a pump fake next time. Right.
He's really taller than you.
Do it again.
Shoot it.
Over there, look.
Run, run, run. Oh!
Shots are looking good though.
Ay,
A little more, Reed. You got it. You
go to
got
the
it.
ball. Ano mo? Tira lang ng tira. Oh, tumira nga. Tumira nga. Pagod na tong dalawa eh. Ano lang nila yan, pagurin lang nila.
Who won? Who won? Is this the third or the fourth? Just the third, right? Or fourth?
Sinabi din ito yung tatay mo. Yung tatay mo. Kinausap niya, di ba? Kaya nag-iba yung laro.
And you get the kids to stay for. I was like, yeah.
They definitely was like, look.
Hinga. Stay, guys. Stay focus. Stay focus. Bumagsak na yung bola doon kanina eh. Yeah.
Good job.
Oh, let's go.
Oh, dude.
One shot.
Good shot.
Oh. Step off. Oh, what happened? Go, let's go.
There.
Give it. Get up. Right.
Go.
Ah. 7 seconds.
5, 4, 3, 2. Come on. Corner over there, baby.
Oh, that's the corner.
10 more minutes.
Sayang.
Go get some break.
May last chance pa. Kung na-shoot pa yun, eh. Oh. Anim lang, diba? Pito? 7? Bali, pagod na itong mga to. Kailangan lang patakbuhin eh, no? Hindi nila nakikita yung laro nito ng nagbibigayan eh. Yung ano natin eh, nakaisa lang siya eh. Sige.
10 more minutes. Lock in. Let's go.
Top defense. 10 minutes. Seros. Don't jump. Box out. Push mo.
Come on, go in. Defense.
Run. Shoot it. Run. Oh.
There it is.
He's too fast for himself.
Yeah.
Yes!
Box out!
Good shot, Nick.
Nice, Papa. Defense. Hey, good anticipation. I'm prepared.
Great defense, guys. Great defense.
Labas! Swing! Ah! Run!
Good job.
Defense.
Good defense.
Go down, Nick.
Good job, Hunter. And 1, and 2.
Box out!
Oh, yeah! Let's go, Jordan! Good job, Hunter. Good rebound. He's working for that. He's gonna get 3 because we have to. All right.
Good job, Jordan.
Maaga pa, pwede pa yan. Napababa nyo lang ng konti. Hihinto ng 2 minutes.
Yeah,
shot.
Jordan! Go there,
Let's stop the ball.
Yeah! Tagal naman ng
Good defense, White.
corner. Shoot it.
Oh, it's okay. Good hustle. Good hustle. Come on, smart. You're good.
Stop the ball.
Right there.
Back
right
door.
there.
hesitate, kaya nagmi-miss ka eh. Pag panira, tira na. Hindi naman turnover yun pag open. Diba? Good defense, good defense.
Watch out!
Ah.
Yep, kick it out. Let him know, Brad.
Masyadong tumikit.
Seven. You're changing it, bro.
Box out.
Yesterday he made 12 of his what do you call it? Today, 60%. If that. If that. Gotta make them. Yeah.
Guys, always
Run, 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 run! Run! Puesto! Swing! Okay.
Good job, Dylan. Way to finish.
Nasa mo yung boses mo.
Put your little ones involved, people.
Hmm. 12 lang yan, oh.
Yeah.
On.
Ah.
Jerry! That's already winning.
Good job, partner.
Swing! Swing!
What was that? No, 2 more minutes. There's no time to record. Oh, yeah. What was that?
50-40. 2 minutes and 30 seconds.
Strong. Gotta make it.
Tumira ka para Pero, tumira ka para malaman mo kung masushoot o hindi. Wala siya tiwala sa sarili niya. Da.
Go, 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 go!
There. There.
Good job, boys. Stop off.
Let's start the ball!
There.
Pop it, read. Oh. Nick has some.
It's like he likes to travel between them.
What are you doing, Nicolette?
Talo. 52-40.